Kayla, and today I'm here for you with the 5 products that have changed my curly hair routine. So if you've been watching my channel for a long time, you guys know that my hair is even curlier than it is right now. Like, this is with my blow dry routine. But my hair is naturally really curly and it's a pain in my butt. I get really annoyed with my hair. Most days I just want to be like, oh, screw it, just let it dry naturally and just leave it alone. But I can't because it takes forever. So over the past few months, I've been working on a lot of different ways to make my hair be able to be curly, but still able to do my hair quick, not having to wait for it to dry naturally. So I found a routine that I think works pretty well for me, and I'm going to share it with you guys as well as the 5 products that help. So the first product is one that I've talked about a million times on my channel, and it is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner, but I use this as a regular conditioner. I don't use it as like a, once in a while treatment. I use this every other time I condition my hair. Some weeks every time. It just depends on how drying my purple conditioner has been. So the 3-Minute Miracle Moist is just, it has saved my hair. It makes my hair so much softer, and it's only, that bottle, that big pump bottle is only $5. So it's really inexpensive, but it works miracles. My hair is so much softer, so much easier to brush out. I absolutely love it. The next step in my curly hair routine is using my Kristen S Weightless Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I use this as a detangler, and it is so great. It definitely is weightless. It has made my hair shinier and softer, way easier to brush. I use a wet brush, the Wet Brush for Thick Hair, which I've talked about before on my channel, and after spraying that in my hair and using the Aussie conditioner, my hair is so easy to manage, so easy to brush out, which is great because sometimes it takes a long time to brush my hair. The next product I use in my routine is the Marc Anthony Nourishing Argan Oil 3-Day Smooth Blow Dry Smoothing Cream. My hair is a frizz fest. I mean, it still is even using this. There's not much stopping it after a full day of having my hair. But this softens my hair, it heat protects, it makes my hair less frizzy. I absolutely love this product. You only need a little tiny amount. It's a cream, not like a gel or an oil, so it's really easy to apply. It doesn't make me all sticky and gross, and it works wonders on my hair. Last thing I put in my hair before I blow dry it is the Not Your Mother's In a Heartbeat Blow Dry Accelerator, and this I bought just a few months ago, but it has cut my blow dry time in half when I blow dry my hair straight to straighten my hair, and so it definitely makes my dry time for my curly hair routine way faster, and I absolutely love that. I just spritz it all over, brush it through, and we're ready to go. So as far as blow drying goes, I don't blow dry my hair all the way when I am going to have curly hair for the day. I blow dry it about halfway with the diffuser on, because you gotta have the diffuser on. And then I'll take the diffuser off and blow dry my roots, just normal, so my roots are completely dry when I leave. That way I've done half the drying work, but if I were to blow dry my hair all the way, it would be a frizzy mess. Even with the frizz cream, there's just like no controlling it. That's how insane my hair is. So once I've blow dried my hair halfway, I use product 5, which is my Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. I'll spritz this everywhere, run my fingers through my hair, my half wet hair, and then I'm done. I let my hair air dry from there, and this has fallen out a little bit today, but this is where it ends up, with just like a nice light curl wave going on. Yeah, so that is how I blow dry my hair curly. Those are the 5 products that have saved my curly hair. I kind of just given up on having curly hair for a while. I was like, I'm just gonna straighten my hair every day, which, like, I do straighten my hair a lot because I like how my hair looks straight and my hair lasts longer when it's straight. So I'll obviously do that more often if I don't want to wash my hair as much. But I do miss my curly hair because it is my natural and that's what I, am used to. But it does take a lot of effort to make sure it actually looks presentable and is done fast. Because sometimes I want to roll out of bed at 6 a.m. when I have to be at work at 7. Sometimes I do, but it's kind of hard to do that with my curls. But I make it work. So, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. I upload videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, so go ahead and click that notification bell so that you will get alerts when I upload so you can come and check out the content. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!